How to configure the health section in Setup. In this video, we'll guide you through setting up health-related information for your center. Start by navigating to the Setup module on the left. Ensure the correct center is selected, then click on Custom and choose Health. Here, you can configure the immunizations you track. To add a new one, simply click New and fill in the details. After entering the information, hit Save. You can also delete an immunization by clicking the X. Additionally, you can customize health symptoms. Health symptoms are included in reports when a child is sick. Illness reports are completed digitally with ChildFriendly, where staff will choose the relevant symptoms. You can decide which symptoms to monitor based on your policies and local regulations. It may be helpful to include notes for parents, such as, a child should stay home for 24 hours after vomiting. That concludes the Health Setup tutorial.